Hey guys.
Hey, so the video you're about to watch, we had a little sound issue. We were going to use microphones to record the video, but our microphones weren't charged, so we set them aside, but we accidentally left the piece that goes with the microphone
In the phone, so it took out all the volume.
Yeah,
we took it out during the end.
Yeah. Yeah, so you'll hear us at the end, but not at the beginning. So we're gonna do a voiceover. And sorry about that, Nana. This video is for you since it's your birthday today. So we apologize for messing up the video at the beginning. But anyway, so we'll see how this goes, and we hope you enjoy your cupcakes tomorrow for your birthday. All right, see you in a second.
Hey guys.
Hey, it's Mom.
And Millie.
And we're going to be making Pillsbury Strawberry cupcakes for my mom's birthday, which is Millie's Nana. And so we're going to show you how we make it.
So what you'll need to make these cupcakes is so the cake mix, 1 cup of water, half a cup of oil, and 3 eggs. Okay guys, so we are going to start putting the stuff in now. So first I'm going to start with the cake mix. Now I'm going to add in the 1 cup of water. So I'm just going to add that in real quick. And there. Okay, next I'm going to add in the half a cup of oil. Okay, so I'm just adding that in. Okay, next is the 3 eggs. So I'm just gonna add those in there. Just letting all the stuff drain out of it. And then, so I just put that in the sink. And then I'm going to mix it with a hand mixer for 1 minute. Okay guys, so that's done. Now I'm going to take a spatula and scrape it off of the beaters. So I'm going to do that real quick.
All right, next what I'm gonna do is take a spatula and kind of go around the edges of the bowl, because a lot of times the beaters, they'll mix the ingredients really well in the middle of the bowl, but the outsides can sometimes still have batter that wasn't mixed in.
Okay guys, so for the spray, I'm using the Pan baking spray. So I put it in the cupcake liners. I just did like 1 or 2 sprays.
We are doing this so that the cupcakes will not stick to the cupcake liners after they are done baking.
Hey guys, so I'm going to take a 1/4 of a cup so I can measure out the batter so I don't fill the cupcake liners up to the top. So we're just gonna show you what the cupcakes look like before they go into the oven. So now I'm going to put the cupcakes in a 350-degree oven for 19 minutes. Okay, so it's been 19 minutes and I am now taking them out of the oven. Now I'm going to take a toothpick and stick them in the middle of the cupcakes to see if they are baked enough.
If the cupcakes are done, the toothpick should come out clean. But if the cupcakes are underdone, you're gonna have a lot of cake residue left on the toothpick. And so thankfully, 19 minutes was perfect. The toothpick came out clean every time we inserted it into a cupcake. And a good tip is to find the cupcake that looks the biggest or is the tallest and check that one, because that one is most likely to be underdone compared to the other ones. Now we're going to let the cupcakes cool for about 30 minutes before we frost them. If we frost them too soon, the frosting could melt and won't make for a very pretty cupcake. It will still taste good, but it won't look pretty. So we're going to let them cool for about 30 minutes before we decorate. All right, so the cupcakes cooled, and what we were going to do was fill each one with vanilla pudding. And the vanilla pudding, it was very runny, and it didn't really have a good strong flavor when we taste tested one, so we opted to not use the vanilla pudding as a filling, and we decided to use strawberry frosting as a filling instead.
Hey guys, we're back.
So now what we're going to do, or what Millie's going to do, is
pipe in the pudding.
Yep.
Into the middle of the cupcake. Sorry, I'm holding it like this. It's a little runny because I stirred it.
Yeah, it's all right.
Yeah.
So she's going to push it through the center and then just squeeze some pudding.
Okay.
And this is our test piece to see if it tastes good.
Put it down.
So just push it in.
Push it like all the way in, sort of?
Yeah, and then just squeeze and pull up as you're squeezing. Is it going in? Pull up. There you go. Stop.
Oh,
good.
Jeez. Okay.
This one. Okay.
I'm just gonna taste some like right here because it has a little bit of the vanilla pudding. So. Cold. Is it good? It's okay.
Try it.
Here, I would taste it because you get more vanilla.
Here, hold this.
I mean, the vanilla was like stronger than the strawberry.
Oh yeah.
Or I couldn't taste that much of the strawberry.
Yeah.
I mean, you get an aftertaste of the strawberry, but it's like really in there. It's a lot of vanilla. This hurts. A lot of vanilla in that cupcake.
I don't know. I taste more of the strawberry than the cupcake.
You taste more of the strawberry than the cupcake.
I mean,
you taste more of the strawberry than the vanilla.
I don't know. It gives it a nice creaminess to it.
Right.
But we're also going to be icing it with strawberry icing. I mean, you put icing in the middle of the cake.
Exactly. Using the Pillsbury Strawberry icing. We got this at Food Line also. It's doing that. So. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
Make sure you do the happy dance.
Perfect. It's perfect.
All right, let's use a spoon.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this is
guys,
amazing.
if you can smell this, it smells amazing. So we are going to use a spatula and then, yeah, hold it like that.
hold it so it doesn't get messy on the outside as you're trying to put it in.
And it kind of protects your hands so you can
exactly. Look at that.
You're gonna have to.
Oh, sorry.
Hold it. Yeah, sorry. I was gonna say you're about to have to scrape it, but look at that.
Shove it on down. Shove it. Yeah, with the spoon, spatula.
I can also use my hands. Don't forget that, right?
Yeah. Yeah. So really, yeah, you could.
Well, I'm not gonna. Well, no, I think this is good enough. It's gonna fill the outside. I mean, inside.
Maybe we should have folded it more. It's all right. All right, squeeze it on down. Squeeze it on down. Squeeze it on down.
Or what I'm gonna do is just put it in here.
Shove. And again, squeeze as you're pulling up. All right, stop. Oh, that'd be cute. Oh yeah, and then we could put whipped cream around the.
Or we could do
edges.
a little bit of.
Well, you got to save it because we have all those cupcakes to fill.
Yeah.
So
It looks
let's see
cute.
how much we have
I
left.
taste it. Hold this. I am tasting it with the strawberry.
This one we can lay down because it's not going to come out. I'll just let you taste it. Is that better? Is that better? With your strawberry lips?
Taste it. It's so good.
Let me just pinch a little bit off.
It's so good. Yeah, I like this way better than the vanilla.
Yeah,
It's
I
more
do too.
strawberry and.
Yeah, that's really good. I thought the pudding was good. It was just a bit messy and runny. This is more
so
firm.
much better.
Yeah. This is her dessert also. Sorry, Nana, that we're eating your cupcakes.
Okay.
But we did have to taste test just to make sure that it was good.
I'm just gonna place it down in there. Hold it. I.
Oh, I love that. Look how cute that looks.
And then we're gonna show you one of them with the whipped cream, just to see how it looks. We still have.
Okay. Sorry, Nana.
Yeah, we still have plenty. Yeah, I think all of us are gonna have about one or two. So. Well, maybe one. Plus, we're making the other dessert too.
Cute.
My mom's like, cute. That's cute. Whipped cream.
Cream. We have enough whipped cream.
Yeah,
You haven't eaten it all, have you?
no, I just had a little bit today.
Yeah, but I mean, how
Yeah,
much
we-
is left? Okay, go easy.
Okay.
Or just do like a little squirt maybe. All right, here's our test piece. We're gonna add a little whipped cream to the top. Ooh. All right. Oh, that's so cute.
There's our little
look.
decorated
Aw.
cupcake. Hopefully, we have time to do this tomorrow.
We will. You will.
I will.
Because me and your father are cooking some other stuff.
This is fat free. Does that say ready? Ready whipped cream. It's so good. Like, it's so airy. I think it wants you going back for more and more and more.
Wait, you're about to eat the cupcake wrapper.
No, I was getting whipped cream.
Oh, okay. I'm like,
I wanted to eat the wrapper. No, I wasn't going to take a bite of the cupcake. Now I am. Put the wrapper down here. That
Is
looks
that
good.
good? Your face.
There's my face. I took a big bite out of this.
You did. I'm watching my calories. Okay. Oh gosh, I'm making a mess
I
here.
look like a child. It's so good.
Mm-hmm. That is good. That's a good idea to put icing in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely gives it more of a strawberry flavor.
We definitely need to put these in the fridge though. Because the whipped cream, it gets warm quickly.
Exactly, that's what Dad was saying. You gotta do that last. So we won't do the whipped cream until we get ready to serve these because, as Millie just said, it's melting because it's getting warm. So, did we already, how many times have we apologized to Nana for eating her cupcakes? We had to test them.
See if y'all can see that. Look at those delicious cupcakes. Y'all can see it closer. All of the icing looks delicious.
Put it back up there. All right, now we're gonna put these on a cake
thing.
platter and stick them in the refrigerator.
So I'm just gonna kind of make it in a circle. So maybe fits better.
This last one over here won't fit.
Exactly.
Not. All right, hold on. I got a solution, maybe. Maybe not. Maybe.
Mom, you might want to look behind you.
What? You about to eat it? That's not me about to eat it. And we're gonna put it in here.
One of the things with big icing will be Nana's.
I'm sure these are out of the way.
I'm carefully putting it on because I didn't want to mess up any icing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do that.
And we
Okay.
we are done. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. That's on top of the cupcake. This icing is so good. It's like you can taste the sugar.
All right, we're gonna sing Nana Happy Birthday. Y'all can join us if you want to.
3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nana. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nana. We love you.